So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have two sliding doors here. On the left side we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement, also single bed, and we have TV unit on the front wall. And also on the right side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a dining counter with 3 chairs. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV on the front wall, and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. We have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. Also we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.